We are pleased to show you the 2021 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control. Inside you'll find heated front seats, security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, passenger vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, power driver seat. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.